Designed in partnership with Ormeau Baths and Barclay's Eagles Lab, this programme complements the current GCSE in Business Studies. Staff from Ulster University and Barclay's Eagles Lab worked with a cohort of Year 11 female pupils from Belfast Model School for Girls over a 4-week period in January 2020. Pupils were initially introduced to theories and concepts on business startup via an interactive lecture and guided discovery learning activities. They were then set a challenge on coming up with a new business proposal that would solve an issue or problem faced by young people their age. Pupils worked in small groups over a 2-week period before presenting their ideas to a panel of local entrepreneurs who acted as judges at the Eagles Lab. There was then an opportunity to network with the entrepreneurs and discuss their ideas further before all pupils received their end of programme prizes.